Generate a list of the most possible trigger elements associated with each step in the sequence on each station of the integrated system trainer. Again, we've only got one station here for the AMTech. And the students are guessing, they're guessing at what the inputs are that cause the resulting action. They load a puck on the input conveyor to the AMTech simulator, and they walk over and they put their finger on the initiate switch. And so what they're going to detect there is that, well, that's the trigger for that action. So when I put my finger on this reader, that's going to initiate the input conveyor movement. Well, you know what? That's a guess. And it's a good guess, but it is just a guess. The absolute answer lies in the logic. So the students do not have the capability of climbing into S7 logic or S1200 logic or Allen Bradley logic to find out what the truth is. So the instructor has to be prepared ahead of time to what truly are the triggers for each step in the sequence. Their students will be guessing at it, okay, from observation, but the instructor will know from fact by going through the program, right? I might add that I would keep what we call permissives separate from the triggers. Yeah, you're not going to power the system up unless pneumatic energy is present. All right, yeah, we understand that. That to us is not really a trigger more, but what we call a permissive. So we talk about permissives, but we keep them separated from the triggers. All right? Otherwise, every step in the sequence would have all of these requirements. You'd have to have the previous step being complete, and then you have to relist all your permissives. And we don't want to do that. All right? Permissives are one thing. That's what gets the machine up and operational. After that, what are the key items, for the for the next step to be initiated? Be careful. Some of the trainers available in this world do not use feedback devices for every step. What they do is they literally will time out some steps. So they'll say, let's initiate clamp A and wait 5 seconds, and now we're going to close clamp B. And there may not be any feedback device. It may be a timed element. You need to know this. There's no way the students would ever be able to figure this out without having the logic in front of them, the actual logic, and to go through it in detail. The students label what they think are the possible triggers that may have caused that step to be initiated. Once we develop that with each station that we have, all right, that's kind of like the first step in teaching how to troubleshoot.